Hello friends, today I will show you the recipe of this delicious looking and yummy tasting brownie. So let's start with the recipe and making it. Here I have taken 120 grams of dark chocolate. You can even use milk chocolate or milk compound. And now I'm cutting it into small pieces because we have to microwave it. We have to melt the chocolate. Now we will transfer this chocolate into a bowl. And we will microwave it for 30 seconds. Now we take a bowl to sieve all the dry ingredients. So our first ingredient is multigrain flour, and I am taking 1.5 cup of multigrain flour. You can even take whole wheat flour. This is 1/4 cup of oats powder. I have grinded the oats and made the powder. This is 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we will sieve all the ingredients nicely. This is very important because there should be no lumps in the batter. And if you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. So now here you can see the chocolate is ready and even the dry ingredients are also sieved properly. So we will add the dry ingredients to the chocolate along with milk gradually. And I have taken almost 1.5 cup of milk. Now I will add milk to the mixture and give it a good whisk. So again add a little the dry ingredient and again add milk and give it a good whisk so it's easier to mix it. Now I am taking half a cup of brown sugar. You can adjust the sweetness according to you. We like it little bitter, so I have kept my sugar little less. You can add more. Now again add milk and give it a good whisk. Now I am adding 5 tablespoons of oil. It's refined oil. Please don't use any flavored oil. Otherwise our brownie will start smelling. It's better to use refined oil which has no smell, no taste. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is the last ingredient of our brownie mix. So now our batter is ready and this is the consistency of the batter we need. Okay, now we will take the brownie mold and grease it. I am taking ghee to grease my mold. You can even use butter or oil, anything is fine. And as you can see, my mold is of glass, but if you have a metal mold, then that is the better option to go with that. Grease the mold from all the sides, the 4 sides and the down. It's very important so that we can demold our brownie easily. You can even use butter paper for this. Now my greasing is done, so I will take some flour and just dust it on the mold. Now we will pour our batter to the tin. And I have switched on my oven for preheating it at 180 degrees Celsius. We will preheat it for 8 to 10 minutes and We can even make this brownie on stove. Just you have to take a pan or a steamer and place the ring in it and preheat the pan for 5 to 7 minutes on the medium heat. Now I'm just giving a crunch to my brownie. I will add few pieces of Kit Kat to it. This will even get a good crunch to our brownie and it will taste very yummy. So my oven is well preheated and I will keep the brownie mix in the oven for almost 25 to 30 minutes at. So almost after 30 minutes my brownie is ready and we have to cool it down for 1 hour. Once cooled, demold the brownie and cut into pieces as per the shapes you require. And then serve it with chocolate sauce or vanilla ice cream on top. Please do try this at home and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, friends.